This Gallon's 3.5 Q.FT single-door retro compact chiller refrigerator has the look and feel of the fabulous old days, but has the appeal of a modern appliance, which can enrich your kitchen, rec room or home office with different styles. It can store snacks and keep cool beverages and more. This thoughtful refrigerator offers an adjustable thermostat control, bright interior lighting, door shelves and vegetable crisper to make your life easily. Large capacity for you to keep food and vegetables fresh. Retro refrigerator can keep your food and drinks fresh and completely refrigerated in your kitchen. Retro refrigerator with its retro black look, which will refresh your office. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.